Hi, my name is Shrey, and today I'll be explaining question 1 from Leetcode's Biweekly Contest 30. So question 1 is reformat date, and we are given an input string, which is a date, and we have to return it. We have to reformat and return it as a string. So let's just get straight in with these two examples. So we have example 1 and example 2. And in each example, we're given an input date in the format of day, month, and year. And we have to return it as a string in the format year, month, and day. So the easiest way to do that would be to create three separate strings for day, month, and year, and then just append them in the appropriate order. So let's first create the day string. So in creating the day string, we have two options. We can have a single digit day or we can have a double digit day. So the easiest way to find out which one of these two we have is to check if the second character is a letter or a number. If the second character is a letter, let me write that down. If the second character is a letter, then we have a single digit day. If we have a single digit day, we need to add 0 plus the substring from 0 to 1. Let me just add a space here. So yeah, we can check that this works because in example 2, the day string is 06, and we add 0 and then the substring from 0 to 1, which would give us 06. And if the second character is a number, then we have a double digit day. And to get the appropriate day string for that, we just take the substring from 0 to 2. And we can check that that works because in example 1, the first two characters of the string are 20, and that's exactly what we needed. Great, so now we've created the day string, and we now need to create the month string. So to create the month string, we need to first isolate the three letters which represent the month using a substring, using a substring. So in example 1, the three letters OCT represent October. In example 2, the three letters JUN represent June. Next, we need to create a switch statement. I use a switch statement because there were multiple cases, but you can also use an if-else or any other conditional statement. And we need to create a switch statement to link the three letters to a number which represents the correct month. And I'll tell you what that means. So the three letters OCT represent October, which in number format represent 10. So October equals 10. In example 2, JUN represents June, which in number format equals 06. So JUN equals 06. Just like that, January equals 01, February equals 02, all the way to December equaling 12. Great, so now we have the month string, and finally we need to create the year string. This is relatively straightforward. We just take the substring representing the year. So in example 1, that's just 2052, and in example 2, that's just 1933. Great, so now we have all three necessary strings, and we just have to append it in the correct order. So the first thing we need to do is add the year string. So year plus this dash plus month plus this dash plus day. So yep, that's the entire solution for question 1. Always know that there's always more than one way to solve this problem. And if this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below. I will also leave the link to the code down below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.